a cheeky one.
James.
His fame but lots of fun.
Percy.
Pulls a man on time.
Gordon.
Thunders down the line.
Emily.
Really knows her stuff.
Henry.
Toots and huffs and puffs.
Edward.
Wants to help and share.
Toby. Well, let's say he's square. They're two, they're four, they're six, they're eight. Shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue. They're the really useful crew. All the different roles to play around in the sheds or far away. Down the hills and round the bends. Thomas and his friends. They're two, they're four, they're six, they're eight. Shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue. They're the really useful crew. All the different roles to play around in the sheds or far away. Down the hills and round the bends. Thomas and his friends.
New on Disney DVD. Only on DVD. Bob the Builder on site. Skyscraper.
We're going to see a skyscraper being built.
Put on your hard hat, strap on your tool belt, and join Bob the Builder as his world meets the real world on site.
Let's go on site.
Bob and his can-do crew take you on a fun-filled adventure to a real construction site. Learn how diggers dig the foundations, just like Scoop. See how cement mixers mix up cement, just like Dizzy and Tumbler. See how tall cranes carry loads high in the sky, just like Lofty. And now, only on DVD, Bob the Builder on site. Skyscraper.
Let's find out how a skyscraper is built.
From laying the foundation to the construction of each floor to elevators, you're on site with Bob the Builder.
Can we build it?
Yes, we can!
Yeah, I think so.
Bob the Builder on site. Skyscraper. Now on DVD. Also available on site. Houses and playgrounds. And on site. Roads and bridges.
For over 20 years, he's been every child's best friend.
I do have a lot of friends from all over the world.
And now you can join the Dino-rific celebration in an all-new DVD special for Barney's 20th anniversary. With the best of Barney DVD. Barney's opening his magical memory box in this special collection,
We are celebrating some happy memories.
which features his most memorable moments of all time.
There's a lot to see.
With 20 of your favorite Barney songs. This DVD is full of special features for fans of all ages, including 7 Barney sing-alongs, an exclusive featurette, games, and much more. So join Baby Bob, BJ, Riff, and the lovable, huggable purple guy himself, Barney, for a terrific extravaganza.
I believe there's always room for one more happy memory.
As they celebrate 20 magical years of sharing, caring, and imagination in this exclusive DVD special, The Best of Barney, only on DVD.
Grammarly helps make your writing clear and concise, no matter where you are. Compose a cover letter that stands.
Barney Friends video.
Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination, and when he's tall, he's what we call a dinosaur sensation. Says things like
Best fairy tales.
Oh, everything is all ready.
Oh, hi, Baby Bob.
Hi, Barney.
Oh, what are you doing with all the books?
I'm pretending that this is a library, and I'm the library lady.
Oh, I see. You're the librarian. Oh, that's a very important job.
Uh-huh. I help people find good books to read. And I... What? And I... and I also say, please be quiet, BJ. This is a library. Huh? It is?
Oh, Baby Bob is pretending it's a library.
Oh. It should be quiet, but your shoes are squeaking and making
A rubber ducky!
Yeah, cool. I guess they got wet when I was jumping in some puddle.
Rubber ducky!
They are cool. I guess they got wet when I was jumping in some puddles of water.
Well, while you're waiting for them to dry, maybe you'd like to hear a nice story about shoes.
Sure. Oh, me too, me too.
Great. The story is called The Shoemaker and the Elves.
Oh, cool.
Once upon a time, there was a shoemaker and his wife. They worked hard, but they were poor. One evening, as they talked by the fire, they were very worried.
Husband, this piece of leather is not big enough to make a whole pair of shoes. What will we do?
Well, wife, let's get some sleep. Maybe we'll think of something in the morning.
The next morning, the shoemaker and his wife got a big surprise. Overnight, the piece of leather had been made into a beautiful
Cartoon
pair of
Network.
shoes.
We can sell these and buy more leather.
Good idea, husband.
And so they did. The shoemaker and his wife
what's
left
this?
more leather on the table and went to sleep. The next morning, they got another surprise.
Now there are 2 pairs of shoes.
When we sell these, we can buy even more leather.
Every
Let's
night,
see.
the shoemaker
But
and his
shall-
wife laid out
I'll
more
say
leather.
if the
And every morning, they discovered more shoes.
garment
They
and
sold so
should
many
fit
shoes.
and ugly. This
Soon had plenty of money.
garment, is not a thing.
Look how much money we
Rustin.
made.
I wonder who's been making the shoes for us.
I know how we can find out.
Loose
The
fit
shoemaker and his
eating
wife went upstairs to
garment
hide. And they
is
waited.
more
Late that night,
likely
2 little elves appeared.
to catch fire.
We make lots and lots of shoes, and they're really, really neat. With so many kinds to choose when we put them on our feet, and they always come in twos. We make lots of shoes. Huss, maybe we could do something for them.
Shoemaker and his wife on the bench and waited for the elves to return.
This for us. Why would? Oh, you're welcome.
And they all lived happy.
From Disney.
Our world is divided. My girl Raya and I are gonna fix the world. We'll have to watch our backs.
Someday,
But many days later, the same woman traveled down.
my fine head. Sing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you all do. I'll give X to each.
With someone who didn't have any.
Pickety, pickety.
Again, the
Our hen got out and ran away, so we have no eggs today.
Again, the woman was happy to share her eggs with someone who didn't have any.
Pickety, pickety, here's what I'll do. I'll give X to each of you. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you both have X to see. Thank you. You're welcome. Pickety, pickety, my fine hen. She lays eggs for gentlemen. I gave all her eggs away, but she'll lay plenty more someday.
But many days later, the same woman traveled down the same road. And this time, she didn't have any eggs.
Pickety, pickety, my fine hen. She laid eggs for gentlemen, but she got out and ran away. So I have no eggs today.
Soon, she saw all 3 of the same travelers she had given her eggs to long ago. Their eggs had hatched.
Give Ooh, it's too cold.
But when she tried,
Too bouncy.
then she tried baby
It's too
bear.
bouncy.
Ah, this is just right. I'll stay here for a little bit.
Goldilocks fell fast asleep.
Tortoise, you're gonna have to move faster than that.
The hare was very proud, and he liked to.
Oh no, that's a real wolf. Help, here's a wolf. Jelly beans, tidy-o. Toss it out the window, tidy-o.
Ready, set, now let it go. Toss it out a window, tidy-o. 1, 2, 3, throw. Toss it out a window, tidy-o.
Toss 1 jelly bean, tidy-o. Toss 2 jelly beans, tidy-o. Toss 3 jelly beans, tidy-o. Toss it out a window, tidy-o.
Ready, set, now let it go. Toss it out a window, tidy-o. 1, 2, 3, throw. Toss it out a window, tidy-o.
Toss it out a window, tidy-o.
Well, you'll never guess what happened next. Oh, can you guess? Oh,
You're not
that's
beans.
right. The jelly
would
beans
have
began
eggs,
to grow. And they grew and grew into a big jelly bean stalk that reached all the way to the sky. When Little Jack discovered the beanstalk, he did what any little boy would do.
Woohoo! It's time to climb.
What does it mean?
He climbed and climbed up up into the sky.
Keep going. Keep going.
Finally, he reached the top of the beanstalk.
It's a tree.
Wow! Awesome!
Little
Big enough to... Yikes! It's a tornado! Where? Oh, come, we five, oh, bum. I'm a bit giant.
Monster.
I'm big, but I'm having a bad day. No one will play with Gada-Boo-Boo.
Got purple shoe. Oh!
That was fun. You want me to do it again?
I didn't get it.
You sure?
The thrills. The action. The suspense. It's all new Thomas at Action Canyon. Just like in the Great Discovery DVD, you'll burst through waterfalls and bust down bridges. Action Canyon with all new heights and daredevil drops. New Trackmaster Thomas at Action Canyon comes with everything you see here. Batteries not included. Stanley sold separately.
The Thomas story began nearly 65 years ago when a father made up adventures about Thomas the Tank Engine, a blue engine who proudly wears a number 1 on his side, and his engine friends on the imaginary island of Sodor. Each adventure invites children to enter a world of imagination through the tracks of a train and the words of a story, leading to timeless life lessons of friendship, discovery, and cooperation. Today, with nearly universal awareness and appeal, Thomas and Friends has captivated children in all facets of their lives through television, DVD, toys, books, live events, and so much more. Joining us on Designing Spaces is Danielle Webb from Hit Entertainment, here to talk all about Thomas and Friends. Welcome to Designing Spaces, Danielle.
Thank you for having me.
Now, I have to tell you, as an adult, I love Thomas. Why do you think he is such a loved character for so many?
You know, everyone loves Thomas the Tank Engine. You know, parents and children have shared the stories for generations, and parents can really trust Thomas because he stands for such positive values, friendship, cooperation, discovery. And kids love Thomas because he's just a kid himself.
Right.
Thomas goes through the same experiences that little children do.
They could relate to him.
Exactly.
Right.
They're trying your best, getting along with others, and learning from your mistakes. You know, Thomas is also a train, and who doesn't love trains?
Exactly.
They're a core play pattern for little boys, and, you know, with a smiling face like Thomas's, what's not to love?
You know, most people associate Thomas with the TV or books or the train itself, but there's so much more than that, right?
There really is, and window treatments and wall murals. So it's really a great option to redo a whole room.
On Designing Spaces, we love room makeovers, so we have teamed up with Danielle at Hit Entertainment to transform a room today for one very special little boy, and we are going to really do that, transform this room into everything Thomas.
Yes, it will be a virtual island of Sodor paradise.
Wonderful. Well, let's talk about a little of the things that we're going to do. Let's start with this, because I just love this. It adds such color to the room. This is a mural.
And it's very easy to miss world.
And it is very...
Core standpoint is Thomas's bold colors and the train iconography are really things that parents would be using in their little boys' rooms anyway. So
Right.
it really lends itself perfectly.
I love this vent. This came out really cute.
Isn't it great?
Yes.
It's so perfect because the sets really make it so easy. Everything is coordinated from the sheets to the comforter to the pillow shams, and it works really well with just basic accent throw pillows.
I like the colors, yeah.
And of course the Thomas Cuddle pillow.
Look at that. That is so cute.
The other great thing about the bedding is that it really works with this trundle bed that we chose, which sort of all the time. Check it out.
What is it?
It's a flashlight.
Oh, how cute. Well, you have thought of everything. Listen to that. Oh, my goodness. Oh, he's going to love this.
Exactly.
Okay.
Lots of fun.
You know, this. Did you hear that? I think he's here. You know what? Let me go get Riley and bring him in. He's going to love this room. I'll be right back. Did you hear that? Oh, my.
Love this.
That is
Ready?
a cute shirt.
Now listen.
Oh, my goodness. I cannot believe even the shirt. That is
So
so
fun.
love this. Did you hear that? I think he's here. You know what? Let me go get Riley and bring him in. He's going to love this room. I'll be right back.
Awesome!
Do you like it, Riley? Yeah, look how beautiful. Check out all of this. I think we made him very happy. So how can families find out how to create their own theme bedroom?
It's simple. There's a variety of Thomas and Friends themed bedding already available, which is coordinated with window treatments and rugs. There's also lamps and night lights and wall murals, borders, decals, so you can really customize any space. And of course, let's not forget the train table.
Yeah, he's having a good time over
Exactly, exactly. So all that built-in storage. So ThomasandFriends.com. There's Tom themselves with Thomas and his engine friends.
I think he's having a good way today with his room. I have to thank Daniel so much for being here, and also to the folks at Hit Entertainment, really for making another successful room makeover and designing spaces, so thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Oh, what is he doing?